Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. I hope you guys are doing well. So let's look at the gold market now. Let's see what's going on with the gold market. Mm, Actually, we had today news jobless claims, which is came negative for the dollar. But even though it reacted to the news, but it went again. It came down again. So let's look at here. The pizza still at 1843 at H4. So what it will do is it will try to break this pizza and it will form from here. So if this market break this area, it will go more down. So first it will test 1830, then it will go to 1808. So as we see, I have a sell position from 1858 and one more sell position from 1870, 74. So I'm still holding that, and also I opened a sell position like 0.05 lot at 1850. So even it's also running on profit now. So I have set a D for all those things, like even for the 1850 cells now. So let's wait and check 1840 level. This break we can go and test again 1830, and if we break 1830 we'll go even more down. But on daily time frame, if you look at the daily time frame, so this is the trend which is from 2000, right? So there is a bearish flag, and see we have the consolidation phase here at 1850 to 1866. So before going up, I think what it will do is it will try to make a support again at down area. So if we break 1800, it will go more down to test 1850 or even 1700, which is possible. Tomorrow we do have an inflation rate CPI data release, so we'll possibly do the live trading at that time. So before CPI data, let's look at what it's gonna make and how it's gonna go. So the pizza started from here. We do have so much space here at 1878 to 1800. So it will try to fill this area. Like it can break below and back up to 1830 and 1850. So it will form a consolidation like this. So 1, 2. So even 1680 also possible in this area. If you look at this area, like in this chart, see it has tested like let me. Okay, it has tested now with it is forming the same shape. So we can see a possible downwards movement to 1800 also tomorrow. Like I said, it's coming down now. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. So we are near at 1841. So if we break this high, we can go to 1870 also, like 1870 or 1884. And if we break this low, we will go to 1830. And if we break 1830, it's possible we can go down to 1808 or 1800 or 1888. So we do have more price here. So it's possible to form a double bottom here at 1830 or even at 1808 or at even 1787 before going up to 2000 levels again. So let's look at the NASDAQ. Still, it haven't broken any of the levels here. It's still consolidating. So as you can see, if NASDAQ go up, gold should go down. If NASDAQ go down, gold will go up. But current market is like, if you check current market, there is so much manipulation, and even the support and demand are placed opposites. So we have to be more cautious today. So we have to be more careful. Mm, like if you guys want to buy, you can buy from. Let's see. You can actually buy from 12,500, and you can buy from 12,500, which is possibly a support, and you can set TP 12,930, somewhere like that. But see, this is the first time it went high, and it made a low here, and it made a new high, and it came low. But if you see this, 1, 2, it couldn't break this high in this area, so it's still below this price, and today it became even lower, like 12,074 to 12,640. So what it's trying to do is, whether if we break this area like 18,400, 12,400, will go below to 12,230 or even 12,800, uh, which is possible to hit. If we break this area, like this area, we'll go to 900 and 12,130. And if you guys want to hold for long term for the buy, you can set TP at 12,000. You can look for the target as 13,500. Sorry. So this will be the possible scenario. So let's look at heat map for the stocks. Let's change it to NASDAQ. So we do have a Tesla still at plus 2%, and Microsoft is plus, and Nevada is plus 0.58%. Even though news came bad, we are still in plus. So even though there is a small stock Airbnb and like Netflix minus 2%, we do have a Tesla here, and EA Games is minus 0.7%. But if you look at the big time, like a big chart, like Microsoft, Tesla, and Amazon, Apple, Nevada, and Google, it's there. These are still in plus percentage. So it's possible today. Also, it will consolidate in this area, like from 12,400 to 12,750. If we break 12,750, we test 12,900. If we break this, just hold it for 13,500. I think, even though I'm thinking this is a possible scenario for it to come, because if you see the trend, like you see the downtrend already got over, because it made a bottom here at 12,000 to 11,500. So this may form as a support. If we break this, we can form a double bottom at 11,500, and so this consolidation should not break here. So if we didn't break this, if we go up, this is a uptrend. So you guys know what to do on a stock uptrend. You should not sell when there is stock if you're seeing uptrend on the stocks. So you should be more careful. Even though if you sell, you should keep the stop loss as as safe as a tight stop loss. So like this trend, we are gonna see a trend. First, we'll test at 13,500, and it's possible we can go 15,000 even, because we have a tomorrow CPI data, so which we can see more volatility on the market. And let's see, like tomorrow, guys. So before news, it can test again 12,750. So before testing 12,000, it won't go anywhere, or even it can possible to test 12,900. So you should be careful. You should not sell at this area. So you should be more careful at this area. Like if there is a support it forming here, and you can you should look at the opportunity from like a buying percentage and selling percentage on NASDAQ. So it will be more crucial if you sell from here. You should have taken place from 1750 or 1800. So that will be more likely a good trade. So gold is still coming down. I'm still holding the sell position. I have a two position from one is from 1874 and 1872, and sorry, four position, which, and then again one position from 1858 and 1849. See, even though I see an opportunity for scalping by, I won't enter because I have my own rules of trading, so I should not cross that one. So if the market's still in selling pressure, we should only sell unless it break the area which you are expecting it to break. So from there you can look for the buying opportunity. So this will be it. So this is the serious trend, which is from, you can see it from 1878. This trend, which is already broken, it's still broken, and we can see 1830 soon, which is $10 movement. And from this, I already put up this yellow line, path line. We can possibly test. I mean, whatever it is, we'll see this month 1811 or 1800, even possible more ways we can make a week here and make a back up to 1850, or even whatever the price it will come. So this is it for gold analysis. For jobless claims, we have a negative news. We do have a core inflation rate. I, I think the forecast will be like 8.5, which is good for dollar and bad for stocks and gold. So if you find it useful in this video, just click the like button, and if you want more info, just subscribe the channel, and there is also a Telegram link in the description, so you can go and just where I update my trades, and where I will also inform about the strategy and everything. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys will find a profitable trade. So peace. That's it. Thank you.